Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with our fifth chapter, that is cleanliness around us. Now, what do you mean by cleanliness? The habit of keeping clean and avoiding dirt is cleanliness, and cleanliness is very important to stay healthy. Now, I am going to show you one picture. See, what this person is doing is dumping all the waste in the water. Now, do you think the water in this picture is clean for use? No, it is very harmful for our health and it should not be used for our daily needs. Now, there are different ways to keep ourselves clean. For example, we should always wear washed, neat and clean clothes. Then we should wash utensils after every meal. Then we should take baths regularly. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn about how can we keep our home clean. Now, every day your mama might be cleaning each and every room, right? And she might be mopping with clean water along with disinfectant. What do you mean by disinfectant? Means a chemical substance that is used to kill harmful germs. For example, Lysol, right? You might have seen the advertise of Lysol that is one kind of disinfectant. Then garbage should be put only in the garbage bins, and that bins should be kept covered so that flies and mosquitoes may not sit on them. Okay. Then toilet and bathroom should be cleaned every day. Then furniture should be dusted and cobwebs should be cleaned regularly. Then windows should be kept open for sunlight and fresh air to enter. What does sunlight does? Sunlight kills the germs. Okay, these are the various ways that we can keep our home clean. Now, how can we keep our public places clean? Now, first of all, what do you mean by public place? A public place is a social space that is open to people. For example, road, market, bus stop, parks and beaches are public places. Now, how can we keep public places clean? See, garbage should not be thrown in open areas. It should be thrown only in the dustbin. Many trees should be planted so we can get a fresh air. Then public places should be cleaned regularly. You might have seen early in the morning sweeper used to sweep the roads regularly, right? So we should not throw any of the dust on the roads or street. Okay, we should not spit in the public areas. Many of them are having bad habit to spit in public areas, so we should not do that. Then, how can we keep our classroom clean? Yes. See, every day we used to go to school, right? So it is our duty to even keep our classroom neat and tidy, right? See, waste paper, then small pieces of chalk, pencil saving, then should be thrown only in the dustbin. It should not be thrown all around the classroom, right? Then we should not write on the walls or scribble on desk and chair. Then we should not spill food or water in the classroom. If by mistake you drop the food on the floor, you should call the Ayamasi and ask her to sweep the floor. Then we should not run or play in the classroom. These are the various ways that we can keep our surrounding clean. Thank you.